We can't hear you.
Oh my God! I'm just doing mistake. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe you guys cannot hear me because I'm muted. I am mute my mic. I'm sorry because yeah. Okay then.
Marker. I need marker. I need marker. I need marker. I need marker.
This one is your marker. Wait, wait,
I
wait.
need marker. I need marker.
Okay then. Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Once again, this is Mr. Al, and I'm going to share my knowledge about how to draw people's crowd. And then, yeah, last week we already create something like this. Okay, we're drawing the houses and then the buildings, and we are creating the illusion space between one uh, object to another, something like this. And then this is good for us to learn how to create an imaginary illusion space in two-dimensional template like this. Okay. Now today we're going to draw a people's crowd. If you can imagine that nowadays people are doing some demonstration on the road, like in Jakarta, so many people are gathering in one big public space, and then they're trying to express their concern about anything. And then if you watch on the TV, that so many people now are gathering in the crowd, like doing some demonstration. And then, yeah, I want you to have some idea to draw that kind of situation. Okay. Today, I mean, tonight we're going to learn how to draw people's crowd. We will draw one or two or maybe more than 5 people in one paper. Right? Are you ready now? I know that you now cannot wait, and I'm sorry about my English because maybe you feel that my English are not really good, but actually, basically, I don't care about my English. I just want to express it, and this is my time to learn. And then if you have some question, please write down in the comment below, and then please subscribe me, okay? So that I will get paid by the YouTube later on. Right, thank you. Now go back to the paper. Let's get it on. We're going to start to draw the people's crowd. Ready? Okay, I'm going to pointing my camera to my paper. Then I'm going to start now to draw the people's crowd. Okay. Now, as you can see, this two-dimensional paper, actually we have to split it into 3 sections. Okay. The first section will be at the bottom, and then the second layer will be at the middle, and then another layer will be at the back on the third layers one. Okay, we're going to draw people on the first layer first. Okay, I'm going to use my blue marker, and then we're going to start with the people on this. Okay, first of all, you have to draw U letter first like this, as many as you can. You can make it a little bit more down or up. Okay, draw U letter like that first. All right, now you have to draw the ear on the left and the right side. Yeah, I'm just trying to share you the easiest way how to draw the people first. Yeah, later when we already mastered in drawing this kind of technique, we can go to another step, which is making the drawing the object more realistic. Okay, I'm trying to make you more easier for tonight. You have to draw some zigzag line, or what we call it. This one is like a cracking effect on the something like that, or you can just make it like that. All right. If you think that my drawing is too fast, please write your comments below. Yeah. And then don't forget to draw the upper side of your head like this. Wow, you're very. I mean, I'm so happy to draw this kind of people's crowd drawing. All right. Now, maybe you're questioning, Mr. R, how to make the girls, how to make a difference between the boys and the girls, how to make it different. Okay, wait, I'm going to show you later after this one, okay? Now we have to concern about the face first. I want you to put 2 dots on it, or maybe you want to make it like as a line like that, or like dot, up to you. And then you can draw the eyebrow on it. If you want to make the people sad, you have to write it like that. And then if you want to make it more angry, it can be like that. A little bit pointing the upper side like this, a little bit leaning like this. Right. After that, this one is the nose. Just put some dots in the middle. This one is not look so detailed because this one is so small. We can make it different. Detail later on when we draw the big face later on. Right. After this one, we will draw the mouth. Some are smiling, some are yelling, some are sad, some are maybe just flat, some are maybe laughing like that. Okay, now we go to the next step, which is drawing the neck. All right, we will draw the neck first, like that. This drawing only like match to the student which is maybe in primary level, yeah. Now after this one, I'm going to draw the hands. Some of the people are yeah, they raising their hand like this. You can draw the hand like that. And then if you don't know what to do, you just draw the rectangle first. Draw rectangle first. Don't forget to draw it a little bit more longer down. Make it more longer down like this. Yeah. It's okay. Don't worry about this person because this one is a little bit more down. So just make it more goes down, and then the body will be goes to the edge of the paper. Don't worry about this one. Okay. Now I want you to be more expressive by put the hand. It can be like this. Okay. This hand is go to the back side of this person, and then maybe this person going to the pocket. The hand is going to the pocket, and then this one is also stretching their hand. And then you can draw another one. Like for example, this is all friends together. And then you can also fold the hands facing front of the body like this. Okay. And this is one. This one is goes down later on. And then maybe this one is using long shirt like that. Okay, don't forget to draw the hands also like this. It's okay if your drawing are not really perfect. Even Mr. Al is also not perfect like this, okay? And then this one, I'm going to, yeah, something like this. All right. I'm going to give you 1 minute to catch up everything. Now, it's time for us to draw the second layer, which is this layer, okay? We're going to draw people in this layer, in the middle layer of the people down this one. Downside this one, okay? Now, I'm going to draw another people again then here with the U letter again, random height, like this. Okay, I think it's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. In the middle, we have so many people, yeah? As usual, draw the ear first. Left and right, left and right. Like that. Okay. Mister, you are too fast. Okay, I'm going to wait for you then. Draw the people at the bottom first, yeah? Now, Mr. Al, how to make it different? Why all the people at the front is all the boys? I want to create the girls. Don't worry, you just modified the hair. This one looks like a boyish, right? But when I'm making something like this, it will create like a girl, right? Oh, we are creating a girl now. How about this one, Mr. Al? This one is like a naughty boys. I want to change it into a girl. Okay, let's just draw the line on this part. And we are now creating a girl's which is very grumpy. Maybe she's upset about something, and then she's trying to express it to her friend, like, "Come on, we have to go home. My mommy will be so mad if I do not go home earlier. This one is already evening." And then she said that, "Yeah, but I'm still enjoying the moment here." And then the boy said that, "Don't worry, I will pick you up later on. I mean, I will accompany you to your house later on," something like that. All right. This one is so cool. As usual, don't forget to draw the U letter first like this, and then draw the ears on the left and the right side. It will look your drawing more easier. Okay, now I'm sorry, Devanka, I need to continue this one. I'm going to continue it with the cracking line, or maybe some of them are baldy. And maybe this one is a bit more, okay, just something like that. And then we just draw the hair again one more time. Or maybe this person are using the headset. Yeah, something like this. All right, as usual, we draw the mouth, the eyes, two dots, and then the mouth, the nose. Maybe some of them are using the the goggles, like eyeglasses. And then this one are smiling, and this one is laughing, ha 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 ha, something like that. And then this one is maybe just sad. As usual, Mr. I will draw again the neck. Okay. Remember that this one is more challenging, yeah? You will find that the next level will be a little bit more tough because you are going to draw this one, but be careful, you do not cross the line. This is the person at the front supposed to be at the front. You cannot cross the line because this one is not transparent. These people have the meat and the bone. You cannot draw transparent person on this one unless you are a transparent person. Right? As usual, Mr. I will draw again the rectangle. Rectangle, 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 like this. Okay, rectangle again, rectangle again. Rectangle again, rectangle again. Don't draw too short, the rectangle. If you draw too short, it will look so awkward later on. So weird. Now, Mr. I will start to draw the hands. Like this person is like, ayo kita maju. Kita harus demonstrasi, something like that. And then this person the leg cannot be seen because it's covered by this person at the front. Okay, just make it like this. You have to use your logic, your logical thinking that this is supposed to be behind this person, so you cannot see the leg later on. Okay, and this person are so happy. Maybe he's trying to grab some attention from somebody, and this person are holding his uh, hips, and then this person or something like that, something like that. Okay, and then yeah, some of them can be seen, some of the leg can be seen. Okay, like this person, because there's no covering the legs, so I will draw the leg behind the hands of this girl. Yeah, remember, use your logic, your logical thinking when you are drawing something, right? This one is also like doing something like hi, and then oh, this one cannot, so I have to just draw it. It goes down like that. This person are using the hands to touch his friend, maybe. And then, yeah, this person may be holding some ice cream. And then one another hands will be facing the pocket. And then see, I mean, he is wearing the short. Like that. And then that's it. We just drawing the people in the middle layer. Okay. Now I want to change some of them becoming a girl. Maybe this one become a girl. I want you now guys to color the hair first so that you will not forget later on. Color the hair first, everybody. Yes, color the hair first with your marker so that you later on you don't need to color it with paint. Okay, something like this. Woohoo! Oh, I forgot this one. Now we are, I think, oh no, this one. I want to change this one into a girl. Just a while. And I want to draw the skirt on this part. And then this is the leg. Yeah. I think I'm done with the second layer. Are you ready, guys, to go to another layer? Okay, we will start to draw the people crowd at the third layer. Okay, if you're ready now, as usual, okay, I'm telling you again one more time. Tonight we are learning how to draw people's crowd. And at the same time, actually, we are creating an illusional space because we draw something overlap. The man at the front or the girls at the front like this. This one is representing the object. And then this man or two boys at the back is also representing the object. And then the space or the distance between these two kids and another kid will creating an illusional space between this object at the front and object at the back. You can see that the space is there, okay? Otherwise, we cannot create the real space, but we can create an illusional space on our paper. Now, we're going to draw another people at the back layer, yeah? And then we're going to draw the building at the back. So it will looks like they are doing something like a crowd. Okay, ready? As usual, this is the fun part. Draw the U, but not too far, okay? Just close with the object on this area. We're going to draw the U letter again one more time. Okay, you letter again one more time. And then the ears again on the left and the right side one more time. Okay, don't worry. Today you're not going to paint. We are just learning how to draw the people first. We're going to continue painting this drawing, these sketches tomorrow maybe, yeah, or maybe next another day after tomorrow. Okay, draw the cracking, or maybe some of them are wearing the hat like this. This one is also wearing the hat. Maybe some of them also wearing the hijab like that, or maybe they are wearing the cool cowboy hat like that. Maybe some of them are wearing the headband, like the Minnie Mouse headband like that. Some of them maybe at the back are wearing the what? The headband. And then this person maybe just flat. He doesn't wearing anything. And then this person also, yeah, just flat. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the eyebrow. I forgot to do the eyebrow. Because the eyebrow is effective for creating the facial expression. They are crying or they are smiling. The eyebrow is also affected. And then now, as usual, we draw the neck one more time. This is the last part of our session, which is drawing the people at the back. Draw the rectangle one more time, guys. Rectangle again one more time at the back. Careful, do not draw the line crossing the object at the front. Something like that. Now I'm going to draw the detail. This person are wearing the, yeah, some of the leg are at the back. You can see that. Some cannot be seen because it's covered with the, yeah. If you guys can draw like this in the drawing competition, I can be sure that maybe the judge will pick you as the winner later on, because this one is looks so detailed. Because you draw not only one, you draw many people. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to continue with this. Wow, this person, I mean, this drawing looks so cute and so crowded. Something like this, right? Yeah. All right. So tonight, actually, now we are trying to creating the space between one object to another object. This one is looks complicated, but actually, when you're trying to do it one by one, slowly, you will create a very detailed drawing like this. Okay, this one applies for primary school students. I know that this one is looks so childish, and yeah, because this one is supposed to be doing by the primary student, right? Next time, maybe if we already master in drawing this kind of arrangement, we can draw the people's figure, the human figure, more detailed, more realistic as best as we can. Right now, you already creating three layers, right? The first layer, if you notice, this is the front people who stand at the front row, at the front, yeah. And the second one is the people also at the back, right? This is the second layer, if you notice that one. And the last one will be the third layer, which is the people at the back, right? Now I want you to color all the hair first, like that. Right, now, Mr. Al, how if I can draw some houses at the back? Can I? Yes, you can draw the house at the back. Are you ready now? Let's get it on. Okay, Devanka, come on, draw the house behind this person. Mr. Al is now drawing the roof first, like that. Yeah, don't worry, we can color it tomorrow, maybe next time. Yeah, I don't want to. I am making a forest. Yes, you can making a forest then. Okay, you just give me some idea, Devanka. Now, Mr. Al is drawing the trees at the back. All right, and I'm going to draw another tree or another house maybe here. It's very important for the kids to learn about the knowledge about the space. Yeah, this is the roof of the house. Wow, behind that there is a house and there is a tree, like that. Just try to make it more simple, okay? I know that you have so many things to do. That's why I simplify everything. Now I need to draw the building here, maybe. Yeah, next time we can use Google Meet, yeah? This week we just trying to use another template, another platform, so that we will not getting bored then later on. Right, so I is drawing now the house. Now I am drawing the roof. Yes, you are making a trees. Good job, Anka. Now we are done. As easy as you can imagine, right? Later, you can make it more detailed. For example, this person are holding a bag. You just need to make it more detailed like that. This person are wearing the black bag. I mean, have a backpack. And then maybe this person also wearing the backpack. Maybe this person are wearing the leaning back like that. And then maybe this person are wearing a jacket, like that. yeah, you just put some detail on this drawing later on. All right. In the drawing competition, if you can make it like this, okay, people's crowd, like for example, kids playing with their friend, and then you draw also the background with the detail like the cloud at the back, something like that. I believe that you can be the winner later on because the judge will score the object and then the as many object as you can draw it. The judge will watch this drawing as a very high technique in terms of drawing the overlap object like this one. Right, please write your feedback in the comments in the chat list so that people, I mean, so that Mr. Al will getting the feedback and we can do it more better later on. If you notice that on this area, Mr. Al forgot to draw this person's leg, right? So that's why before I color it, I have to draw the leg first. Just go down like that. Okay, what else? Oh, this person are not really perfect. Yeah, like that. And then what else? Oh, this person doesn't have any hand. Can be like that. What else? Or maybe this tree. I make it a little bit more decorative. I do not really draw the realistic part. And then what else? Okay, done. Maybe you can put something like this one is holding something, stick maybe. And then maybe this person are holding the handphone. Maybe this one is holding the handphone. Yeah, try to make it more merrier as best as you can. Okay. Now we have been 1 hour. My God, it's time for you guys to wash your hand and wash your face and then get ready to sleep. Yeah, we're going to continue again next time. Okay, if you have some concern or some idea, please share with me in the chat box. And then soon we're going to have another Google Meet class. And then we're going to do the normal lesson later on using our Google Meet again. But this week, we're going to make it a little bit different so that you will not get bored because, yeah, because it's monotone, yeah? It's like stuck in one way only. That's why I'm trying to try another format of how we learn. Maybe next time we can learn from using podcasts. I don't know. Mister, I'm done. Okay, Devanka, congratulations. Thank you. How's your feeling when you are trying to draw so many objects? Please write down. How's your feeling? Are you tired? Are you excited? Or are you feeling bored? Or what? Just tell me in the chat box. And Glenn, please, if it is possible, please help Mr. R to write some feedback because today, I mean tonight, actually, we are learning how to write or how to express yourself in English, yeah? Oh, you feel sleepy, Devanka? All right, then. Yeah, don't worry. In another 8 minutes, we're going to dismiss. I'm sleepy. Yeah, I know that most of the kids will be sleepy at this time because, yeah, uh, start the lesson at 7 p.m. and actually, yeah, we actually need to have a rest, yeah? Take shower and everything. Okay, Devanka, I think, and Glenn and Miss Nadina, thank you so much for attending our special session with